are stirring up hatred, you are abusing people's religion, you're abusing their faith, and you're being a complete disgrace.
What do you know about the Prophet Muhammad?
The greatest human being that has impacted history and all annals of documented history, it had to be Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. George Bernard Shaw said, if a man like Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam were to assume the dictatorship and rulership of the modern world, he would succeed in solving its problems that would bring it much needed peace and happiness. Michael Hart said, my choice is Muhammad. To lead the list of the world's most influential persons may surprise some readers and may be questioned by others, but he was the only man in history who was supremely successful on both the religious and secular level. Never in his life did he ever lift his hand to hit any human being. Ever. Not a servant, not a wife, not a child, not a friend. He was speaking softly, and he was gentle, and he was warm, and he was sacred and soft, feeding the poor, visiting the sick, discharging the army, acting as a statesman, acting as an arbiter, talking to the people, addressing the women, giving out the zakat, sewing his clothes, washing his house, shopping for the food. What kind of human being could that be? It was a messenger. It was a prophet. This was a man with a message. He was a witness over the believers. He was no more than a messenger. He was a man dealing gently with all people. He was a great favor. He was sent with an irrefutable truth. He was that unlettered prophet. He was a mercy and a messenger. He was a mercy to mankind.